Hi, in today's video we are going to cover the new feature which is known as delivery challan. In today's video we are going to cover delivery challan. This is the new feature which is coming in Bookkeeper, and this will come for the free update to everybody. So you can download it now by going to help download beta software program. You can download by going to help download beta software program. If you need this feature you can download it, and version number is 6.5.2, so you can download and use it. Okay, now what is delivery challan? Let's come to the main point. What is delivery challan? That's our main question. Delivery challan means when you are delivering the goods but you have not created the invoice. You are delivering the goods but you have not created the invoice. Okay, that's the main thing. That means later you will create the invoice from the delivery challan. But there is a difference between delivery challan and estimate. In estimate you just give the quotation, but in delivery challan you are actually delivering the items. That means in delivery challan your item will be reduced but there won't be any effect on accounts. Okay, so if I write it here, there is a difference between delivery challan versus estimate. Okay, in delivery challan items will be reduced in delivery challan but not in estimate. Okay, estimate we also call the quotation, we also call it a sales order. They are the same thing in Bookkeeper, and there is no effect on accounts in both delivery challan and estimate. Okay, so let's start with the video. Now I will explain you one by one. In item I have one item Ashirwad Atta 10 numbers. All items are 0, only one item is there Ashirwad Atta, that's a 10 numbers I have. Okay, so and if I go to my customer, there is one customer Suresh which is 0. Okay, 0 balance. So I am going to create a delivery challan for Suresh. Okay, I am going to create delivery challan for Suresh who is my customer, and I am going to deliver him Ashirwad Atta. Okay, I am going to give him Ashirwad Atta for 3 quantities. So I have to go to transactions. I have to go to transactions first. In transactions, I have to go to delivery challan, create. Here I can type a customer name, that's a Suresh. I can type his information if I want. In item, I can type Ashirwad Atta, and I am going to give him the 3 quantities, rate, anything, whatever I want I can mention over here. I can apply GST, everything, and I can click a save button. Okay, so delivery challan will be created. Here you can see the delivery challan. I can view delivery challan. Okay, the name has been changed now, no more invoice. This is the separate thing, that's a delivery challan. Click on it, it will show you the delivery challan which has been created for this customer name as Suresh. Okay, delivery challan. So for Suresh, I have created a delivery challan. All the templates, everything is applicable on it. All the template, the invoice template, everything you can apply on it. That's a delivery challan feature. Okay, that's a delivery challan. Now let's look at the items and account. What happened to the item? So out of 10 I have made a delivery challan for 3 units. That means the remaining 7 units are there. So in items, it will affect the items. As I have told you, items will be reduced. Number 2, let's go to the account. Customer supplier, there is no balance of the Suresh. No balance of the Suresh. That means your accounts won't be affected. That's all. Okay. Now let's go to the reports part. First is the debit report. Daybook, it will show your delivery challan. In voucher type, you have a new type that is known as the delivery challan, and it will show you delivery challan in daybook. Okay. So if I go here, I will go to reports, daybook. I can see all the delivery challans here. Okay, very simple. And if I go to balance sheet, it will and if I go to balance sheet, and if I view the detailed report, it shows me the sundry debtor bill to make. I still have these bills to make. These bills have not been created, so it will show me separately these many bills I have to make. Okay, so in balance sheet, it will show me bill to make. Okay, let's check all the reports. I go to profit and loss report. It is showing me sales account. If I view the detailed report, it again showed me sales account bill to make, because these are not sales. Sales have not been created till now. It will show me sales account bill to make. Okay, that's a separate thing. Okay, so these are the reports. You can check out all the reports which has been affected, and you can view the reports one by one. The common report which I have shown you, balance sheet, profit loss and day book, it will show you the clear difference. These are the bills yet to make. These bills have not been created. And another inventory item report, let's go here. Item report, Ashirwad Atta. If I display, it shows me the delivery challan DC1. Okay, it will show you clearly delivery challan, and delivery challan is also coming over here in the voucher type. So new voucher type is available in bookkeeper. That's a delivery challan. Okay, let's come to the second part. What happens when you convert it into the invoice? I convert delivery challan to invoice. You can modify all the information whatever you want and press the save button. Okay, very simple. Let's see what happens here. If I go to view all transactions, it will show you delivery challan has been closed now. Delivery challan has been closed and invoice has been created. So this is the invoice, sales invoice. It is showing you sales invoice. Delivery challan has been closed. Okay, so now let's go to the reports again. Now it is showing you invoice, no more delivery challan because that has been converted. So it will show you only invoice. Okay, so pretty simple. You can make the delivery challan, you can convert to invoice. Let's go to the inventory reports. Go to the inventory reports. It will now show you the invoice. Okay, now if I go to the Suresh account, if I go to Suresh account, yes, it will show me 750 rupees because now the invoice has been created. Are you getting it? First we made the delivery challan, then we convert it to invoice, and when we convert to invoice, your item will be reduced and also it will affect the accounts. If you go here, view the ledger, it will show you 750 rupee due because you have made the invoice. Okay, and there is one more settings in template settings, that's a footer part, and that set a delivery challan footer. You can make a delivery challan footer, you can write whatever you want, or same like the invoice footer, purchase footer, estimate footer. Now we have the delivery challan footer, and you can also write in a multi-line with control enter. So that's a delivery challan footer. Okay, that's all about this video. If you have some query, You can always drop us an email. Our email ID is support@bookkeeperapp.net. Kindly note, this is the first phase of delivery challan. You cannot convert. There is still this is a shortcoming. You cannot convert multiple delivery challan into invoice as of now. As of now, later it will come. That's a one of the thing. And delivery challan feature is available only in bookkeeper windows. It is not available on any other platform as of now. Okay, that's a shortcomings as of now, and we will keep on improving it. So if you want to give it a try, you can download it. It is available, as I have told you, in the help download beta program. You can download and you can use it. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any query, any feedback, you want to say something, just drop us an email, support@bookkeeperapp.net. Thank you very